down at Barrett's Point, down in Curling, Newfoundland. I hear somebody building on their boat before I start the video. Somebody hammered. So we're in the harbor. We're in the yacht club. Liam, do you remember the name of this yacht club? Shocking, I don't remember the name. It's been there since I was a kid. Look at that old boat over there with the tires all over it. Tires for bumpers. Right, the old bottom water. I gotta try to figure out how to stop this thing from shaking. Because it's bad enough that there's a bit of shaking on the log. But it shakes on its own. Because of the handle. Doesn't sit tight anymore. I guess I gotta buy an update for this too, maybe. The Bay of Islands Yacht Club, that's what it's called. Want to walk along there? I don't say there's anything you can't walk on here, but you're only looking. Walk along the wharf. Oh, we could have done that from the car. You got your sea legs, because this is moving. We're floating. Nice to see some stuff in the water. I don't expect to see much stuff. I'm thinking that my phone should be shaking and jittering like the old phone used to when it gets warm. All I gotta be is 20 degrees and your videos looks like somebody's inside shaking the camera. That's deep.
Yes.
They got like a 20 horsepower motor for a trolling motor. And all I got is a trolling motor that hooks up to a battery. The trolling motors are small. I don't know anybody owns a boat. I know my cousin's husband's got a boat and he goes out all the time fishing and just for boat rides. But I haven't seen them anywhere since I've been back. I know they go visit up away, so. Police are here, making sure nobody's doing any unusual calls. I wonder, are we going back to a paved driveway or not paved, but wonder if the young fella next door got to get the boat out. Or not the boat. Now I'm all over the place now looking at boats. Young fella next door, I wonder if he got the plow up in the garden. I know he's done his this morning. back up so I can walk around it. All here is all beaches and water. Everywhere you go, you got your rock beach from the ocean. Paul said power's gone out on the whole island. No one's got power. He said he's got his data back. It was gone for the longest time. But apparently the whole island apparently lost power. You know what's going to happen now, don't you? We better get out of here. We better get out of Newfoundland before it shuts her down.
Oh, it's actually alive anymore.
Baby crab, knuckles move around.
Don't think it's alive. Seems pretty dead. Well, past tense if it's for you.
There's a bone here. Or no, it's rope, sorry.
Yeah.
Am I wrong?
Lots of shells around here.
Yeah. Well, this is what I say. You can spend a day down here digging through the dirt. Here's another another crab shell. Just the top. There's another shell. There's another seashell. That's a different shell.
Nice shell.
Like a clam. There's another piece of clam shell busted up. Right there. You can't bring them all with you because the plane won't be able to get off the ground.
Take it to the nice one.
Okay.
Are you taking
Well, there's that camper van that was here earlier. Look, the one with the solar panels on the roof and got these bikes on the back. It looks like a barbecue on the back. Maybe it's just spikes. That's a nice little rig. I love sand. Stands here and looks at everything, the more I sees. I guess you're going to hear me pretty clear. I'm close I can to the camera to speak. I didn't bring my mic. My mic's up in the car. I'm not used to that thing yet. Sitting on a rock by the bay. Nice little spot right here today. Sun is shining, 25 degrees, and the wind is blowing off the water, making it nice and cool. It's really nice. And we're on the other side of the bay. Well, the bay is the Atlantic Ocean. So, well, we're in Curling. Well, I don't think we're in Curling anymore. I think it's called, well, we're right by Mount Moriah in just outside Corner Brook, Newfoundland. It's a beautiful spot. They got picnic tables, people up there having a snack, overlooking the water. Yeah, it's quite the view we got here for sure. So this is the view that we got. So looks pretty nice here. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Thank you to my Patreons. See you in the next one.